How's it going, guys? Today we're going to put this platform ladder on the boat, on the Wellcraft. It's basically pretty simple. You got these two supports right here, and they need to go in here. This is not pre-drilled, so we got to drill the holes for each one of these for the supports to sit onto this. I've already determined what size the bit is for the bolts. It's a pretty simple kit. It comes with all the bolts and everything you need. Depending on how thick your transom is, you might need to get some longer bolts to go through the transom, but besides that, it pretty much comes with everything you need. So what we're going to do first is flip this over like this. Once we get it flipped over, then we're going to put these on here and determine where we're going to drill our holes. We'll get this set up like this and get that right where we want it. We're going to mark our holes. What we've done here is line these up right where this is, and drilled all our holes, both sides. Came over here, put the first one, once we marked it where it's even, I use this right here in order to mark the even from where we drilled over here. So once we get the first hole drilled, put a screw in there, so that way we can drill our next hole, make sure this looks even along this line right here. So we drill our next hole. We've got all 4 of our holes drilled. Now we need to put our bolts in there. Okay, it looks like there is wood inside of here. You can see there's a couple flakes of some wood. So it appears to be some kind of a core that is wood. It is wood. There's wood in there. So what we need to do is seal it. Use some 3M Fast Cure 4200. Good stuff. We got our bolts. So I'm going to take it and just put a little bit around the side of it like that. We'll put it in. Once you screw it down, you're going to want to take some kind of a cleaner, so that way you can spray this down and wipe this off, make it look real clean. And then we just got to repeat that process for the other 3, and then we'll put these supports on. It comes with these little plastic pieces that go like this. Once those are on there, then this can sit like this, and it'll level that off. Right like that. And then once you put your washer on there and put the nut on there, tighten it down, it'll be secured on there. One thing that we do need to do is seal the bottom of it just like we did on the top. So we need to put some sealant around here on all 4 of these before we put this piece on. We've got the washers on there, we've got the nuts on there, we've got our little plastic pieces in there. These are a 7/16 nut, so all we got to do is flip it over and tighten these down, and we'll be ready to put this on the boat. Okay, now we got our platform and our brackets are all put on there, and we're ready to put this on the boat. So we'll take it over there. These are all tightened up. Okay, we've got our platform here and our drill ready. I've put it up against the transom here. This is our water line. That's what I went off of as far as how to keep it level. This transom does slope at the top here. It does dip over like that. So first mark's right here, second mark's right there. I'll drill those out, put the bolts in these two. Once those two are in there, then I'll straighten it up and drill the two bottom ones, and we'll be done. Okay, we've got our holes drilled. We got the platform set up there. Bottom of it's looking good. So all we need to do is seal with our 4200, seal our holes, tighten these screw bolts up, then we can put our lags in the bottom and we'll be done. It is very important that you load this up with lots of sealant, so when you put this in here it goops out. We can clean it up and make it look pretty after, but you want to make sure you get that hole sealed. Okay, when you get that tightened up, you're going to want it to look like that. Don't worry about it oozing out like that. That's good. We can clean it up and make that look pretty. The point is that you know that it's sealed properly. So we can clean that up and make it look pretty now. They're down here, they give you these little lags. They look pretty small, but you really don't need much more than that. Plus you really don't want to put a through hole, another hole all the way through to the inside of the boat so close to the water line, so these lags will work perfectly fine. All of your weight comes from up here whenever you're pulling up, so as long as those are tight and right, then these lags will be fine. So I've already drilled the holes. All I gotta do is seal it up and then screw it on and we're done. There's our swim platform. Looking good. And that is how you put on a Seachoice swim platform with a 3-rung ladder. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.